Hello, now let us start a new topic, that is suspension solution. Okay, after that colloidal solution, see the types of solution. Suspension solution means what? Solute particle, now you know solute particle means what? Solute particle is suspended in the solvent. Suspended means it does not dissolve, it remains as it is without dissolving. As for example, we can say that the muddy water. You have seen the puddles, you have seen muddy water. In this water, water is pure, some sand, dust and other garbages are there, other waste materials are there. So we said it is a muddy water. Now see, in the muddy water you can see the particles, you can see the solute particle which is not dissolved. You can also check that if you place this solution, suspension solution, without disturbing onto the table for some time, then all these solute particles settle down at the bottom, right? So you can say what? Suspension solution means the solute particles are not dissolved. We can see the particles, means the diameter or size of the solute particles in the suspension solution is far big than that of the original true solution. Okay, you can also say that solute particle is settled down at the bottom when we place this solution without disturbing or undisturbing for a time, for some time. That is called suspension solution, right? You can say what? Size of solute particle is more. We can see with naked eye. Solute particles can settle down when solution is left undisturbing for some time. Okay, when light ray passes through it, when light rays passes through it, then beam of light scatters, because light ray incident on the solute particle and get reflected. That means it is, we said that light ray scatters. It can be filtered by easy technique. Right? And so from all of this we can say that it is heterogeneous mixture. Right? It is heterogeneous mixture. As for example, suspension is what? One can say muddy water, sand in the water, you can say smoke, because you can say carbon particles in the smoke. You can easily see by naked eye these carbon particles. So these are called suspension solution. Now what about colloidal solution? Colloidal solution, in common language it is also known as salt. SOL, sol. Sol doesn't, it is not the acronym or short form of solution. Remember this thing. Sol means colloidal solution. Sol means sol for us. Now colloidal solution, you have seen the original solution, that is called true solution, means homogeneous solution or homogeneous mixture. Suspension is what? Suspension is heterogeneous mixture, right? Colloidal is also heterogeneous mixture. Means there are three parts of solution. First is true solution, which is homogeneous. Second is colloidal solution, heterogeneous. And the third one is suspension solution, again heterogeneous. Colloidal solution, for this colloidal solution you can say that it is heterogeneous solution, mixture, right? It is heterogeneous mixture. Now, in suspension solution, we said that the size of the solute particle is more so that we can see with our naked eye. Here, solute particle is not seen. Solute particle is not seen with naked eye. Means microscope is necessary to see this solute particle. You can write here, microscope is necessary. To see the solute particles, okay? That means dissolved solute particles are there. You can see that there is the solution. You can not see the solute particle. As for example, I say that milk, okay? You know that milk is the heterogeneous mixture. In the milk, can you see the solute particle? No. In the milk, fat are there, lipid are there, okay? If you boil it and then keep it cool down, then you can see the cream on the layer. From where does all this cream come up? Originally cream are there inside, it means fat particles are there inside the milk. After that, when you boil it, then it will come up. Is it okay? Means fat particles are there in the milk, but we cannot see with our naked eye. So milk is called colloidal solution. That's why you can write this thing, when light ray passes, when light rays passes through it, light scatters. In short, I write the beam of light or light scatters. Can you filter it by easy technique? Means if you filter the milk, then fat particles come up or come out? No. That means filtration of solute particle is not easy. With simple filtration technique, we cannot take out solute particle. That's why special technique is used, as for example centrifugation. So here centrifugation, the name of the technique in which all the force towards the center. If force acting towards the center, then it is called centripetal, and the opposite is centrifugation. So centrifugation technique is used to separate solute particles. Okay? If you left undisturbed for some times, then solute particle does not settle down. Here it is solute particle settle down, but here in the colloidal solution it is not settled. As for example, you can say milk, you can say cough syrup, you can say milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia. It is also medicine which is used to remove or to overcome constipation. Okay, it is just like a syrup. Name is given milk of magnesia because it seems to be milk, but it is not milk. Okay, so you have learned 3 different type of solution. True solution called homogeneous, means uniform mixture, as for examples sugar solution of water. Colloidal solution, little bit thick, as for example milk. And then the big one, suspension solution, as for example smoke or muddy water. So think about first as examples of these 3, and after that you can easily write the difference between these 3. Write the difference between true solution or simple solution, colloidal solution and suspension solution, that you can write. In my notes also it is given, so no need to write the difference right now. Okay, I will give you. Okay, you can read it, say it. After that we will start the new topic of this lesson, that separating the component of mixture.